LT 4-wheel drive. Leather. GM certified 2012 Chevrolet Suburban LT 4-wheel drive, MOCHA Steel Metallic W Cashmere heated leather seating, 5.3 L58 engine under the hood, 6 SPD automatic transmission, Carfax 1 owner. No accidents. Let's go over all the Gangnam style on this certified family cruiser. Luxury package, power liftgate, heated leather seating second and third row, Bluetooth, USB port, BOSE premium sound, steering wheel radio controls, 17 aluminum wheels, power adjustable pedals, assist steps, remote start, 3 free months ONSTAR, 3 free months XM radio. 2 years 30,000 mile maintenance included. Covers oil changes and tire rotations for the first 2 years now. Let's talk certified warranty. You get a 48-month 48,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty good until 4/18/2016 or 48,000